And when the state says that you should get the death penalty.
I think the state is being vindictive. They have information that proves my innocence, but still proceed to try and kill me.
Now at 11, an RTV6 exclusive. Tonight, Major Davis II is expressing concern about his criminal case.
The man accused of killing a Metro police officer is talking only to our Call 6 team after being arrested and charged with murder. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez joins us now with more.
Todd and Erica, good evening. A trial date for Major Davis II is yet on the calendar. My email request to the Davis family spelled out the issues to be discussed in our interview, ranging from the pending trial to the possibility of being condemned to death if convicted. Davis agreed to talk. Over the past several months, we've only seen a glimpse of Major Davis II going into court. This is as close as we could get. Until now. With multiple cameras rolling.
So this is something you wanted to do?
Yes.
We sat down with the man accused of killing Metro police officer Perry Wren. A conviction could yield a lethal injection.
And a lot of folks thought that the wrong person died that night. When it comes to the police, many folks thought, at least from the police end, that you should be the one at the cemetery, not Officer Wren. Do you understand that thinking at all?
Is that the question you asked me?
That's a question I'm asking you.
Yeah, I still don't understand it.
Davis declined to comment about police or the night of the shooting, but he's voicing his frustration with his legal case.
I have filed a motion to force the judge to rescind an order that allows the miscarriage of justice to continue.
The 25-year-old feels his legal team is not sharing with him documents connected to his defense. Davis says he wants his own copies so he can study them and provide suggestions to his attorneys.
They don't really discuss strategies with me. When we talk, it's more about the death penalty phase. They don't talk about the guilt-innocent phase. They do more investigation about me and my family instead of my case. It's almost like they're working against me instead of for me.
Davis remains connected with his mother. They often talk on the phone. His family has filed several motions with the court, including one calling for a fast and speedy trial, another asking the judge to allow his mother to have access to his court-related documents outside the offices of the public defender. Last Friday, the court ruled against the filings because the paperwork was not submitted by Davis's lawyers.
I trust my mother counsel. You know, she loves me, and I don't trust no one else in this world but my mother.
Okay.
And that is my wish for her to receive the documents. You know, and as a defendant, I should be in charge, and I feel my rights are being violated.
We talked for about 10 minutes, and Davis does not believe he could get a fair trial in Marion County, but he declined to say whether he would demand a change of venue.
So why are so many of the family's requests being denied?
There's something called Trial Rule 11, and it requests that a lawyer file motions to the judge to consider. And in this case, that's not always happening. So in many cases, the judge has to deny the request until his lawyer files something, then the judge can actually take action. Of course, he goes back to court on February the 20th for a pretrial hearing. We'll be there to cover that.
All right. Thank you, Rafael.
We also have new details tonight on a separate investigation with ties to Davis.
The Call 6 investigators have learned that fraud cases against LaTosha Ruffin and several members of her family are close to wrapping up after their apartments were raided last October. Ruffin is the mother of Davis's children. She and others are accused of abusing a federal rent assistance program. The alleged housing fraud was uncovered as police traced Davis's footsteps before the shooting. For full coverage of that investigation and Davis's case, we have posted it all on our website, theindychannel.com. We also have a link to the first part of our exclusive interview with him on our mobile app.